Okay, day 3, and it is pissing rain, which we knew was going to. We're getting some heavy thunderstorms. We're supposed to be having possibly tornadic weather later. So won't be getting out in a kayak today. Probably ain't going outside at all. I braved it earlier to go check my traps. They're empty, which that's good. But anyway, I got water, I got food. I ain't gonna hurt for nothing. So I guess I'm gonna take an easy day today. If that changes, y'all know, but if not, I'm probably just gonna compile this in with day 4. But anyways, yeah, it's raining. I don't know if y'all can hear that thunder in the back. Okay. Okay, that's what's currently going on across Alabama. So, yeah, time getting storm shelter. Alabama gets torn up by tornadoes now, let me tell you. So, that's why I'm down in here. At least I got one. Some people ain't even got that. And when it gets bad enough, I'll shut them latches over there and we'll go from there. Well, we got some storms moving to us. So I don't know how true it is. Somebody told me that there's a tornado hit, you know, just pretty close to us, and that same storm that caused that tornado is coming our way. So, storm shelter time. I know y'all never seen this place, and that really, well, I guess it does kind of fit in our little survival challenge type thing. It don't matter if you're eating good or not. If a tornado hits you, you ain't gonna survive that too well. But anyways, so I guess we're gonna make some music and wait the storm out and get on back to eating catfish. Ha ha! Day 4 and 10 pounds. Well, it appears we were successful. There's the set, and there's a possum. I don't know if it's the same one or not, to be honest with you. It's his left hand. Well, I bet you it ain't the same one. It's got a bunch of babies in it. Now, these are legal to kill year-round, whether they got babies or not, but yeah, we're gonna do the kind and courteous thing. We're just gonna cut it loose, I guess. I'll go catch a fish or something. Okay, don't pull no bull crap, and I won't pull too much more than I've already pulled. What was that they say? This is for mine and your safety. Yeah, you're fine. Alright, they can still breathe. Now, I don't like cutting them loose right now. I like to, it's still breathing, it's still doing fine. I like to let that arm get some feeling back in it first before I let them go, because sometimes if you don't, they can't feel it. And they'll think something's got a hold of them. They'll sometimes chew their leg. And we don't want that. So I always try to let animals just take a breather, let that blood flow about 10 minutes or so. Just let them get back with it, you know. Then cut them loose. But while we're waiting, let's go ahead and take a look at some of these babies. Oh yeah, she's a little more protective. I can't blame you there, Mama. I can't blame you. There's that little pouch. She ain't liking it too much, but anyway, that's what they look like. Now go on. Yeah, it's just playing dead now. There she goes. Oh, there she goes a little faster. There you go. You go make me some more possums. Yeah, $5. I find her run over and tomorrow. And here's the finished set. Clean spot, stepping stick, pan right there. Now it looks like crap this time, but heck, I got to make it a challenge somehow, right? Making all these pretty sets, catching all these animals, I got to make it a challenge somehow. Yeah, I'll probably eat those words later on. Well, I guess we're going to be doing a little bit of wild herb collecting again, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, just some things I'm looking at here in the yard. This is plantain. Don't know how true it is, but the guy told me one time that another name for it is a white man's foot. Supposedly it ain't native to North America, and it got that name because along the wagon trails and stuff, you know, sometimes spill out of the wagons or whatnot, and the Indians got to notice this plant, you know, new plant growing wherever the white man went, so it kind of got the name white man's foot or white man's track. So that's one that I'm aware of. If y'all see any more, let me know. Over on that hill there's mint growing, and I got some lemon balm behind that way over in there, but I probably won't classify that in today's video. Also the dandelion again. Somebody told me, I think it was Mad Jack 821, correct me if I'm wrong, I think he said try some dandelion root. I ain't really seeing no wild onion right now, but either way, I got some digging to do, and we'll get back with y'all when I collect a bunch of stuff. And that's what we got. That's what some of the dandelion roots look like, and some of the flowers off of them. I'm pretty sure you can eat what's in between, but we're just experimenting right now. But either way, that should be enough to fill up a pot with. And and that's kind of what it looks like after you wash it off and everything. But either way, I got some fish stock down here like I made here the other day. So we're gonna cook it in that, and if I don't think the taste is good enough or the texture ain't good enough, I still got some of that fish jerky in there to add to it. So let's see what happens here. Well, I know it's kind of dark. That fella just leaving right there. Yeah, hopefully it made a good friend. He seemed like a good enough dude. I come to find out, I already cut up a deer for him a couple years ago, so, you know, hey. I don't reckon he knew how to YouTube channel, but either way, he caught a few fish. I ain't catching jack crap, but I got some big worms in there. I'm gonna try to put them on the bottom, try to catfish with that other pole. I'd like to catch a few extra fish. It's supposed to rain real bad tomorrow, so I'd like to get a few more before, just to be a little safe. I already had to turn loose 2 possums, so got to make up for that. Let's see what we can catch. Let's see if we can't call up an owl. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, woo, woo, woo. Let's see if we can call him a little bit closer. Oh, 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 oh. We're having a discussion. He's getting closer too. Oh, they're coming right on in now. Oh, ah, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I'm probably 70 yards from them. One of them is just right above me right here. And there's a deer or something walking off through the woods on the right, but I ain't got no light, so I ain't gonna be able to see it. I don't know if y'all can hear it splashing. Here this owl is, this owl. He's just on top of that tree right there. Hope y'all can see that. Woo, 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 woo. Woo-hoo! It took me about 15 minutes, but I called him right to me now. There he goes. He's flying off too. He finally give up on it. Now they were accustomed. You lied to me. There's just some things you don't get in a schoolroom, I reckon. Now he's just sorry, trying to get me to take him back. That's what's going on. Woo! I'm telling him it's okay. We're just better off as friends. He's still trying, bless his heart. Woo! Woo! He's telling me I'm the only one right now. I'm telling him there's more fish in the sea. Woo! Okay, all we got was that one little bite. And that was it. We called up some owls. You know, had some relationship discussions, whatever. But anyhow, that fella I met right before that, before I started fishing, I told him what was going on. And I met a few people, and they've all either tried to, just about all of them tried to offer me some bait or, you know, offer me some fish to take home, you know, but, you know, it's just an attestament to the area that I live in. Hey, like I said, they might be some bad things around here. Bad things are everywhere. It's just what percentage of good you got in your area. And I think there's a lot of good people around here. I really do. And I think I'm fortunate enough to live in this part of the country. But anyhow, that's just my 2 bits on it. Everybody's got their own opinion. But Either way, let's go on home and try some of this yard soup, I guess. I know it don't look appetizing, but we're gonna try it out anyways. Broth tastes good for sure now. Try some of that dandelion. That's when I'm things gonna be the worst. It'll come undone. Alright, daggum, that's good. Holy crap. I mean, it's probably the broth speaking here, but that's actually really good. Holy crap. And I've been mowing this junk down for years. Let me try some of them little greens out there. That's good. I'm highly impressed. I would not have thought that, but anyway, let's try some of these greens in there. Heck, it's all good. Holy crap. Now, plantain, last I remember, I didn't eat none by itself, but last I remember, plantain's got kind of a nutty flavor, and I'm getting kind of that flavor mixed in there with it, so I wonder if that plantain helped that out some. But holy crap. Like this probably ain't gonna make it through the night. Holy crap. So yeah, save your fish heads and let your yard grow up just a little bit, and you can survive just fine. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess it's good to challenge yourself every once in a while. You'll learn some new stuff. I never would have thought that. Now I'm kind of wondering how good collards and turnips will go with some of that fish head stock. And that's the thing, I ain't even really getting a fishy flavor out of it. It just makes no sense to me. But it ain't got to make sense to taste good, does it? Yeah. That was good. Oh man, that was good. Oh, I kind of wish I had more now. But anyways, I guess that's gonna that was a good thing to come home to. Anyways, I guess it's gonna conclude day 4. A heck of a conclusion. I mean, a heck of a conclusion. Oh, but anyway, so got rained out. Got putting some time in a storm shelter. Made some music. Got to have some relationship advice with an owl. Had a failed fishing adventure, but then had to turn loose a possum. But anyways, y'all get the concept. That was just awesome. I don't know what else to say about it. Man, that was good. Doing bad, man, that's crazy. All the animals and all this good fish and stuff I've got, and this is what's tickling me to death. I can't believe that. But anyways, that's still the end of day 4. Having a pretty good ball right now. I'm having a lot more fun than I thought I was going to have doing this. But either way, y'all have a good day. Well, I didn't have to. I'm just saying there's some sickos out there. There's some people who would have deep fried the babies. Probably not gonna add that in there.